Hi, fellow mummies! Welcome to another Hermo Huddle Mom Brain Chronicles, where we share facts, real talk, and wild truths about motherhood. And for today, let's talk about mom's sixth sense. Yes, hindi lang po 5 or 5 ang senses ng mga mommies, kundi 6. Have you ever felt na parang may something off or mali sa anak nyo kahit wala pang any other sign? Like parang alam nyo na sisipunin siya or uubuhin siya. Or di kaya yung parang may nafe-feel kayong may gagawin siyang kalokohan o may nagawa ng kalokohan. Yeah, that's not magic. That's a mom's sixth sense. They say moms develop yung parang supernatural ability na nasisense mo yung isang bagay before pa ito mangyari. And I believe it. Ito yung mga moment na magigising ka seconds before pa magising at maiyak yung anak mo. Or when you just know that your toddler is super duper quiet and pag chinek mo, yun pala pinaglalaroan na yung lipstick mo. Sabi ng mga expert, it's a mix of your instinct and a deep emotional connection. And yung brains natin ay nasa parang scanning mode for anything unusual. Natatandaan ko nga noon sa kay Mace, yung naglalaro siya sa kwarto tapos ako ay nasa banyo naglalaba. Then, suddenly, parang na-realize and na-notice ko na parang ang quiet naman. Parang wala na akong naririnig na boses ni Miss. So, nung chinek ko, ayun nga, pinaglalaroan niya yung kanyang baby powder at yung baby powder ay nakakalat na sa aming higaan. So, if ever you have those mom moments na parang alam nyo or may nasisense kayo na parang kakaiba, you should trust it. Mom instincts are real. And, honestly, it's always right. Laging tama ang mom instinct. Ikaw ba, mommy? Ano yung sixth sense moment mo? Share mo na sa comment section.